Thinking about actually getting serious about saving money this year? Maybe you're tired of tiny interest rates, or maybe you just want a simple, no-fee place to stash your cash. If that sounds like you, the Capital One 360 Performance Savings Account might be exactly what you need. It's an online-first savings account known for its competitive interest rate, and most importantly, zero fees and no minimum balance. Today, we're going to walk through the super easy process of opening one up online. It genuinely takes less than 5 minutes. Here's the step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Get ready and head online. First, you'll need a few things handy: your social security number, a valid government ID like a driver's license, and some employment information. Then, jump onto the Capital One website and find the section for their savings accounts, specifically the 360 Performance Savings. You'll click the prominent Open Account button to start the application. Step 2. Provide your personal details. The application will first ask if you are an existing Capital One customer. If you are, the process is even faster. If not, you'll start by providing your name, address, phone number, and email. You'll then input your social security number, date of birth, and answer a few questions about your employment and annual income. This is all standard stuff required by law. Step 3. Account options and review. Next, you'll choose your account type, individual or joint. You'll also be presented with the account disclosures and terms. Make sure to read these. It's where you confirm the no fee, no minimum balance details, and the competitive annual percentage yield, or APY. Once you agree to the terms, you'll submit the application. In many cases, you get instant approval. Step 4. Fund your account. Once approved, you have a 60-day window to make your first deposit, though you should do it right away to start earning interest. The easiest way to fund it is by electronically linking an existing checking or savings account from any bank. You can transfer a deposit immediately, or set up a small initial transfer that Capital One will use to verify your external account. Once that's verified, you can transfer money freely. And that's it. Your Capital One 360 Performance Savings account is open. Now you can use their top-rated mobile app to manage your savings, set up automatic transfers, and watch your money actually start working for you. So, if you're ready to simplify your saving and maximize your returns, Capital One's 360 Performance Savings is a fantastic, straightforward option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.